Using Pandabuy for shoes is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Pandabuy for shoes. So you just have to be at their website, and then you need to log into your account. As you guys can see, I'm currently logged in. After that, you have to search for shoes right here. What it will do is it will do the third party searching. Let me tell you one thing: the products that are available in Pandabuy are not actually, Pandabuy is not actually a store. It is just a third party or a website that links other website to let you buy products. So suppose I want to buy Nike, so I'm just going to search for Nike, and as you guys can see, I couldn't find this. So how can you find the specific shoes that you want to buy? For that, you have to go to the new tab and you need to type in Pandabuy shoes listing. And if I type that, I will see a lot of websites. So what I have to do is I have to select the right list. So as you guys can see, this is pandabysheets.com, and here I have to select any of the sheets. And what it will do is it will show me all the products for the links for the Pandabuy. As you guys can see, these are the K1 Jordan. So currently this is not this haven't been fully loaded. You will also see the photos as well. So after selecting any of the shoes that you want to buy, suppose I want to buy these shoes, I'm going to click on this link, and what it will do is it will take me to the Pandabuy's website. Let it load first, and as you guys can see, I will be able to buy this product directly in my Pandabuy. So this, as you guys can see, this is the product. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Pandabuy for shoes. Hope you guys find this really helpful.